Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I really enjoyed making this video. Traveling around Eastern Washington in the springtime before a lot of other travelers are moving about. It was really quiet, lots of birds and wildlife, and just to see kayaking was a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoyed it as well. And if you did, please, there's 3 things you can do to help support this channel. They're simple and they're free and easy. Is just give a thumbs up and put down a comment and subscribe. And if you can't think of a comment, just put a heart emoji and I'll know you made it this far in the video, and it'll be good to see you there. Thanks. Until next time.